Welcome guys. I'm Parakpal and today we are discuss about the MDM method, but for reset displacement for portal frame. It is way portal frame. Okay, our first step is to determine the fixed end movements. Okay, these are the fixed end movement. Then step number 2, it is a stiffness and distribution factor, which is well known to all of you. Okay, I take the all video fast because there is my exams and I have to help you all guys for these methods, and also the all methods what I learned I always upload on my channel. So this is a portal frame in movement distribution method. First step is to determine the fixed end movements, and another step is to determine the stiffness and distribution factor. Okay, then next step, because this is just sway movement, so we first calculate the non-sway movement distribution. Okay, this is portal frame and this is sway portal frame, but we have to calculate the non-sway distribution factor. Okay, we are analyze it the because of in non-sway because of loading. Okay, so we are at the top we are taking this the distribution factors. Okay, these are my beams AB, BA, BC, CB, CD. Always make the we are always calculate the distribution factor for the joints. Okay, these are my fixed end. Why I do this thing here? Because it is connected with the hinge portion, so it is carry over half of this 13.33 and all this calculation. Now 37 point I what then how can I do the here calculation? 37.5 minus of 53, that means I make the addition of all of them. And what is the result here? The result is a 15.83. Okay, that result I multiply with the distribution factor. That result is negative because of that the value is in positive. Okay, so I get the value, I take the carry over. Similarly I do all of these things. Okay, similarly all the calculation is done, and at last I get the final movements. Okay, by calculating all this, that means calculation of this I get final movement, calculation of this I get this movement. Okay, now next step is go to the sway distribution analysis. Okay, so how we can determine the sway distribution analysis? First we determine the non-sway analysis, and this is the sway move distribution analysis. Sway distribution analysis, that means it is a displacement. In column analogy we are discuss about that. If there is fixed, then bending moment is from here. If there is hinge, then bending moment is from here. So movement of AB and BA is given by minus 6 EI delta by L square. If it not given, then consider 6 EI by delta equals to 100, and L square, that means 6 square, which is to be 36. Okay, so this answer, and also there is this answer. Okay, put the value. Similarly this is our display distribution factor. Do the value, do the calculation. Similarly take the carryover, and these are your final calculations, final movements calculation. Now you have to determine the another factor is sway correction factor, which is given by K. How you can determine the sway correction factor? It is very simple, very similar with the Kani's method. Okay, in Kani's method we have done this procedure for the determination of the movement story. Okay, but we doing this method for the sway correction factor. This sway correction factor is used for the determination of final movement. Okay, this is for non-sway and this is for sway. Okay, so in non-sway we are taking the all the movements. Okay, we are taking the all the forces. Okay, and we are taking the summation movement at one point. Okay, at equals to 0, and we are getting the value. Okay, similarly here we are doing all these things. What is this? These value are putting here are the non-sway movement calculation, which are calculated from the distribution table, and these value are also calculated from the distribution table. Okay, so after that, by taking the all this calculation of the summation of movement, we getting the all this value. Okay, 26.673, this value. Then what now next value? How to determine K? K is determined by 26.375 minus of 26.5 plus minus of 0.77 माइनस ऑफ 0.21 के मल्टीप्लाई बैक, इनको के से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे अपन. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई बैक के ऑल ऑफ वर्किंग. हियर इज द कैलकुलेशन. ओके, सो कैलकुलेट इन कैलसी. सो के इक्वल्स टू 0.102 0.102. Okay, and now it is our final movement. How to calculate final movement? It is our fixed end movement plus k, this is your k factor, multiply by sway distribution table. What is the sway distribution factor of yours? Because we are not taking the non-sway distribution factor, we are taking the sway, because of it is a sway distribution factor. So you get this value. Now it is your movement. Similarly you get the movement by this formula, and it is your bending moment diagram. Okay, So thank you for watching my tutorial. For any query, for any help, contact me. Please subscribe my channel and I will upload all the videos of geotech, technical and SAP Strat Pro also. Thank you.